YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? It's your boy D Hyde. Just want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Now today I wanted to talk to you guys about dealing with a curly beard, all right? And I know this is something that a lot of us go through when it comes to dealing with your curly beard, as far as having shrinkage, your beard not cooperating when it comes to you styling your beard, and just your beard having a shorter appearance when you know damn well your beard is a lot longer than what it seems. For example, as you guys can see, the way my beard looks now, but once I get up in this bad boy and pull out my beard, as you guys can see, this is the true length of my beard, okay? So when it comes to having a curly beard, man, it can be a little frustrating, all right? Just because of some of the things that you gotta go through when it comes to, like I said, shrinkage, your appearance, dealing with styling your beard. It can be a pain in the ass. And what I want to do today in this video is show you guys how I deal with some of those problems, all right? Now, the biggest problem that we have as far as having a curly beard is, like I mentioned before, shrinkage, all right? Now, the best way I've learned to deal with the shrinkage of my beard without going to the extreme of getting a hot pick or a hot comb or using some type of chemical to give me the full length of my beard is just a simple routine that I do, all right? Now, you're not gonna get the full potential out of your beard. You're not gonna get the full length out of your beard, but this is a way where you can actually have your beard look a little fuller and have this area drop down a little lower. Now, what I do to achieve this look without using any of those products or tools is, once I'm in the shower, of course, I'll do my conditioning. I would comb my beard out while I'm in the shower. Once I'm out of the shower, what I'm gonna do is kind of dry up the beard a little bit, but still leave the beard a little damp on the inside. From that point, what I'm gonna do is take my oil and massage my oil into my beard while my beard is still damp on the inside. I noticed that it gives me the best results when I do it this way, all right? So I'm gonna massage the oil into my beard while my beard is still damp on the inside. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick out the beard, and whatever water comes to the top of the beard, I'm gonna go ahead and just squeeze that water out of the beard, okay? Now, I've already put in my oil. The oil is already coated to the hair, it's down into the skin. And by me doing this, I'm taking out a little more water out of the beard, because you don't want too much water in the beard, because of course water, what all that moisture is going to cause the beard to shrink up, all right? But what you're trying to do is you're trying to find that nice balance to where you still have a little bit of moisture in the beard, and you're trying to get the majority of that water out of the beard without really using any type of heat to just evaporate all that water, all right? So by me doing this, I am wringing out the beard a little bit more. Like I said, taking out a little extra water that's in the beard. And from this point, what I would do is I would take a couple drops of oil, rub it into my hands, and then I will start to style my beard. And now I'm going for that styling look, okay? Because I've already taken out the excess water that's in there. The oil is already in there. And by doing this, all I'm doing is just adding a little oil that I probably lost by squeezing out the beard one more time after applying the oil initially the first time. So I start my styling process. And by me doing this whole process has given me the best look and the most length that I can achieve without using any type of products or tools, as far as blow dryers, heat brushes, heat combs, or any type of chemical. So for those of you that's looking for something to try without using those tools to get the best or the most potential out of your beard, knowing that you have a curly beard and this is a problem that you have to face, I highly suggest you guys give this a try. Now, let's just say, for example, if you wanted to add a balm or a butter for more hold, you can definitely do that. So once I finish that whole process of picking the beard out, getting all that excess water out, the oil is already on the beard, then I could probably go with using a balm or a butter and just applying it to the top layer of the beard, all right? Probably style it one more time just to get everything nice and even, and I'm pretty much set. But again, those are just some of the steps that I go through when it comes to achieving a fuller look, or just trying to get the most out of my beard when it comes to the length and the thickness of my beard, all right? But listen, fellas, if you guys are going through any of these problems that I talked about today, as far as the shrinkage, the volume with your beard, but you don't want to resort to using the hot picks, the blow dryers and stuff like that, then I highly suggest you guys give this a shot. It really works out well for me. Again, I don't get the full potential out of my beard because my beard is so curly, but it does give me an overall good look on my beard. But I would love to hear your thoughts on this in the comment section. And I look forward to doing more videos like this, all right? I want to really just focus on key problems that I've faced and things that I'm still facing today when it comes to growing out this beard. And really, like I said, focus and touch on those key problems. And hopefully I can help someone that's going through a similar problem, or kind of give you guys more of an idea on how you can potentially fix a problem that you have, all right? But with that being said, this is your boy D Hyde. Don't forget to hit the bell, y'all. A couple of my videos, I've had a number of people say they didn't even get a notification when I dropped a new video, so don't forget to hit the bell. That way you guys are notified every time I drop a new video. But like always, like, comment, of course, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. This is your boy D Hyde, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right? Peace out.